the first base. First thing I want to do is attach the card to the base. I was going to use Mod Podge for that. I'm hoping that this is the right order to do this. I'm thinking that the card to the wood will absorb the Mod Podge and then let all the moisture dry out of that, and then coat the whole thing with polyurethane, just to make sure that all these different materials are going to work together. Pretty happy with the way that came out. I have these like burnishing tools. Got it right down there. I spread the Mod Podge on the bottom and then placed it on there and rolled it out, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now that the cards are completely dry on there for 48 hours, I'm going to coat them with polyurethane gloss finish. As you can see there, I taped off the varnished edges and then dull coated the top, the cards. I think it came out pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm working on getting the rest of the bases ready. There's the 3 so far that are sanded. I couldn't resist, I had to put some models on there. So that's the Vigilantes. An update on the Monte Carlo. So I just received the last 2 parts, the 77 Monte Carlo Lowrider and the 1977 Monte Carlo SS for the engine parts and a few other things. So again, this is going to provide the main body, and there it is. No. All right. It looks like it has screw holes or something. I may fill those in. And then this is the glass. Okay, on the body, again, bumpers, but for the 77, and I showed you bumpers previously in here. Those look to be the same size, so that's good. That means hopefully the fronts will line up. Yeah, those line up pretty nice, so that tells me that the 2 models are the same scale at least. Dashboard, the side cards. I think I showed you I ordered the dials set off of eBay. This will tell me I'll build the tub, I'll build the steering wheel. That was like my steering wheel. I had bench seats, and then I want to see what those taillights look like. All right, so that's that. That looks pretty good. It doesn't come with an engine. So the engine portion I hoped would be coming from here. I'm hoping it has those wheels. I like those. And speaking of the devil, there they are. There we go, tires. Those I'm probably going to use along with those wheels. So I wonder if those seats would work. I'll be using engine, probably parts of the exhaust. I think I need these bezels for the lights. All I'm going to be taking from here is this front assembly to get the round lights. I want to see if I can fit that onto the front here. These just arrived. Dashboard dials and radio gauges for the Monte Carlo, bestmodelcarparts@gmail.com. And these were $2.97, $3. So now I have everything, and it's time to start putting it all together. So as always, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.